2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to say there's 10 or 11 on the front. Then we have this edge here, right down the side. That was where I guess a branch was rubbing against that. Pipe collar looks okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then this whole area here, which is about, I'm going to say 2 or 3 bundles of shingles. And then this edge needs some help. And that. In there. Gutters are coming off. Gutters need to be respiked and cleaned, as you can see. And that's about it. It really does need a new roof, but we'll provide an estimate to get this through the winter. See what happens on these CertainTeed shingles is they start flapping around. Somebody's glued that one back down. But they start flapping. When they flap, they eventually break right there, and then they fly off and then look like this. Somebody put some kind of goop there. Doesn't look like tar or anything. It looks bad. So that's it. Provide a good estimate and get back to the homeowner. It's Bill Thomas signing off.